Hello, Professor. How are you? I hope you're doing good. My name is Hardik Kumar. I am from course T177, section C. I'm in my semester 5, and this is my presentation for assignment 4 of comp3122 data science. Alright, in this assignment, we had to basically answer these questions based on the test CSV file we got. So the first question says, download the test.csv file and store it in a data frame named mydf. So as you can see, we have done that here. And first of all, of course, we've imported pandas as pd and matplotlib as plt. In the second question, we have to show the first 3 rows of the data frame. Here we have those here, the first 3 rows. Next, in the third question, we have to delete the model column from the df temporarily. So here we're doing that. Next, we come on to question 4. Delete the model column permanently using the assignment not in place parameter. Is there any output when you run the permanent deletion? So how can you make sure it is deleted? So we've done that in the question 5. Now let's delete rows 1, 3, and 5 permanently. Boom, done. Next, in the question 6, it says calculate the mean of range column. So here we've done that. Mainly is the mydf range.mean. So this is the range. I didn't do a round of this. It's just a normal range of this. So next we have how many F do we have in the type column. Replace them permanently with triple A's and show the first 5 rows. There you go. So we have done that. And next we have question 8. Get rid of the comma, dollar, and from the cost column permanently and display the first 5 rows. What is the type of cost column after this? So the type of cost column becomes object. Next, we have changed the cost column data type to integer and display the result. So here we are doing that, and we are converting it into, like, we are basically casting it as integer. So here we are testing the data type is integer 64. Question 10. Calculate the average of cost column, then calculate the average of cost for each continent. So as you can see, we've done that here. Let's come on to the next question. Calculate the min, max, and standard deviation of the cost column grouped by each continent all in one command. So yep, we've done that here. As you can see, this is the whole command. Let's come on to question 12. Calculate the min, max, and standard deviation of all numeric columns grouped by each continent all in one command. Yep, we've done that here. We're calculating the min, max, and standard deviation. Here it is. Let's come on to question 13 now. It says illustrate the mean of all numerical columns grouped by the continent using a bar chart. So we have to involve our matplotlib now. So we are basically assigning the x label to continent, y label to mean of numerical columns, and title should be mean of numerical columns grouped by continent. Let's do this. So here it is. Okay. Now we come on to question 14. Count the number of each continent in the continent column. Boom. Here it is. Next, let's see question 15. It says show the percentage of each continent in the continent column. So this is the percentage of each continent in continent column, as you can see. And in question 16 it says show the unique values that we have in the continent column, then show the number of unique values that we have in the continent column. Yep, it's here. Number of unique continents is 7. And next we have use the value underscore count method for the cost column and describe the output as a comment in the next cell using the hash for the comment. We've done that here. And in the 18th question it says plot a histogram for the cost column. Alright, so this is a histogram here, as you can see. And next question it says bonus question, try to change the number of bins to 50 to show the result more accurately. So we've done this bonus question here. We've changed the bins to 50 and it's kind of more accurate. Yeah, it is more accurate. Question 20, how many missing values do we have in the zip code column? How many missing values in the type column to provide a brief summary of null values for the entire data frame. So here it is. Missing values in the zip code is 9. In the type it's 2. And this is the summary. Let's move on to question 21. It says if we drop all the rows that we have that have any missing values, how many rows will remain in my DF? Oh, number of rows remaining will be 936. Question 22. Show the statistics for the type column using the value underscore count method, including the not a number values in the list. How many missing values do we have? So number of missing values is 2. Question 23. Replace the type column missing values with triple X and show the result again. Yep, here it is. Question 24. Drop the rows that have any missing values permanently and show the number of rows after running the drop command. Here it is, 938. Question 25. Set the ID column as the new index and delete the index name. Then show the first 5 rows of the DF. Show the value of the cell that its ID is 70 and its column header is value. Alright, here it is. And now moving on to the next question. Show the index columns and the shape of the current DF. Bring back the ID column to the DF and reset the index. Again, show the index columns and the shape of the current DF. Here it is. Shape is this. Yeah. And then moving on to the next question. Use the describe method to see the statistics of my DF and fetch the value of the first row and the third column of the result. Value at first row and third column is this. Question 28. Sort the value counts of the continent column of the DF, then sort the value counts of the continent column based on the alphabetical order of the consonants. Here it is. Now moving on to question 29. Show all the columns of the following rows in one command, 1, 3, 5, 7, and show the first 7 rows of the following columns, type, and continent. Here you go. Next question. show the value of the type that are equal to triple x. It's integer 64. Alright, so this was it for my presentation. Thank you.